Welcome back to the Schmitter's 100 Acre Woods. So here in the previous video we got this poplar tree put on the mill. So today we're going to work on getting it cut up. We're really looking to get some 2x4s out of it, and so we can finish up the roof. Here it was just a little too long, so we went ahead and cut part of the end off just so we could make sure to get all the way through the log without getting stuck. And this is the first time running the mill since we put all the posts up, so we just ran it down just to make sure we didn't have any conflicts before starting in on the board. So we're going to do a full rundown of the mill here pretty soon when the weather starts to change. One thing I want to note right here is you can really see how the debarker works. So you can see the little groove that's cut. So the debarker removes the bark right before the blade goes in, so it helps save that blade and not running through dirt and the bark, which is what typically dulls it. First tree we cut down over here. This we're going to turn into some 2x4s. So we're just working on getting the can so we can do that. Small bottle jack to raise up that end of the tree so that the center of the tree is as level as possible across the two sides. We got our can, so we did this on purpose so we could get the top off. Then we'll do down an inch and an eighth, get a piece off, so I'll get most of this gone, and still get a useful piece out of most of that. Here so we can get some 4s, so we're talking 2x4s. We have those here. We're going to do the 1 3/4 down, run those, and then rotate and cut the other direction. We're going to try just leaving it all on. You set the simple set, so it should be able to just go down. will be our instant 3/4. Okay, so he's just going to come up, he'll come back. With the simple set, he'll be able to sit it down once, and it'll go down the next 1 3/4 inches. That's where the magic of the simple set's really nice, whenever you're doing stuff like this.
Might need an assist on that water line. Okay. Maybe.
So now that we have the 1.5 inch cut, we flip the boards all up so we can do our 4-inch cuts to make 2x4s. And you'll see here in a minute we end up stripping off the bottom board because it's a little bit thicker than the 1.5 inch. So we need to run it through separately. And I'll end up ending the video here. We end up having another issue with the sawmill. It ends up being the H-bridge again. I will do another video that kind of goes into that again, and how Woodmizer has found a fix, so I'll end it here. Thank you for watching the Schmitter's 100 Acre Woods. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.